This video, I'm going to show you how you can flip your videos in Filmora from left to right. So if you want to interchange such that the left side faces the right side and vice versa, then it is pretty much simple in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here this video that I've added on my timeline, but I like to go ahead and flip this eagle so that the head that is facing on the left side should face the right side. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and select or click on the video on your timeline, and once you are done, go ahead and click on this edit function, and from here go ahead and click on transform and make sure it is toggled on, and this will give you a number of things or a number of settings we can apply. Under it, you can see we have the flip function. So to flip from left to right, go ahead and click on this first icon here, and if I go ahead and click on it, just put your eyes here, you'll see the position will change from left and now it is facing right. So you can see that change. If I go ahead and flip it again, it will go back to its normal position. If I flip again, it will reverse the position. So that's how you can flip from left to right on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.